My name is John of Ratchet Guitar Reviews, and today I show you how to treat a DI track. So I have this track here that I recorded. I currently have THU Slate on it. Here's how it sounds currently. Many people are probably unaware that you can add effects before an amplifier to further enhance the DI track. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put an EQ on here before the amp. So let's see what this sounds like, just a raw DI. Okay, so it's a pretty good sounding DI. So what I'm going to do is cut some low end out of this. Okay, so after I cut some of the low end out, I'm going to try and get rid of some of the mud. Okay, so now let's see what we sound like through the amp. I'm going to mute the EQ for this point in time, just to see if there's a difference. So now I'm going to go ahead and further enhance this DI. I'm going to try to find the pick attack and accentuate that. Now another thing you can do after that is get a little shelf and make a boost and brighten the top end. And then just cut your high a bit down to around 10,000 hertz. And now let's do a before and after. So now we're done with the EQ. Now we can go ahead and pull up a compressor. In this case, I'm going to use CLA 76 from Waves. I really like the Bluey, so I'm gonna pretty much just set this so that we get more of a punch to it and more of a pick attack. So now what I want to do is just get the output of this to match the input. All right, that sounds pretty good there. Let's see what it did with and without the compressor. That made a big difference. So what this is doing is just bringing everything up that is recorded, and it's pretty much evening everything out and hitting this amp harder. One more time, and I'll go through with and without each effect. That is how easy it is to edit your guitar DIs before an amplifier. My name is John of Ratchet Guitar Reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.